So I just want to cover a little bit about this scenario and the range that we're using on active target. We're finding these walleyes in the fall here in Minnesota lakes, kind of just outside the weed edge and all the way down the break, almost to the basin of the lake. And we're keeping that range because of those positionings. We're keeping that range further out, so 90 feet in length. And what that allows us to do is kind of scan the weed edges when we're on the break, and also all the way down to the bottom of the break at the same time. Now, we're able to do that because there's not a lot of debris out here. We're just hitting that weed edge and going out deep. If you get into the weeds where you want to be able to see individual fish inside thick weeds, then you want to shorten it up, maybe 40, 50 feet in range. So keep it at 90 when you're kind of out off those weeds, shorten it up when you get in the weeds, and you're going to catch more fish on these Minnesota lakes. Oh, yeah. You did not.
Oh, yeah.
Get the net, Sean. I'm sick of netting them for Tom. I'm done. Sean, get the net. That looks like a really nice one.
Got him.
Oh, he's a nice one. He's a good one, Tom.
Ready, Sean?
Get him. Get him. Yeah, good one.
Got him.